Okay, so today we are going to be making a Grinchmas Christmas mug. So I've already designed it. So here I've designed it. So I've got two options. I've got the face, and then I can do I'm a real Grinch before my coffee or Merry Grinchmas. So I'm actually going to do I'm a real Grinch before my coffee. This is the mug I'll be using. I just bought it from Pick n Pay. And I just need to measure the sizing of my wording, how max I'll go. So probably 8 tall, maybe 7 wide. Here, wide, so high, we said 8 is the highest we would go. And then 6.9, which is perfect. And here, high as well, probably also do about 8. Okay, and then this we're just going to hide because we're not going to use it for this project. Okay, that's black, yellow for the eyes, and red for the hat. So we're not using very much vinyl on this project. So we start at white and we can say continue. We're going to use our normal vinyl. And then this tells us normal pressure, which is fine, and we're going to use our fine point blade. And we're going to load it to our mats now. Right, so we're going to cut our pieces out that makes up our little Grinch. And then we're going to apply vinyl. Right, so now we're going to layer our vinyl on our mug. We need to clean it first so that we don't have anything, any residue or oils or anything like that. So we're going to start with our Grinch. So using our transfer tape, this is a piece I have used before, but you can reuse it until it's not sticky anymore. I'm going to lay this image first, and I just go from the center outwards. There's an issue, you can always and then we just basically activate the glue on it by rubbing it down a little bit, and then we'll see when we're pulling it off whether it's stuck down or not, and that has stuck down. Anywhere that it hasn't, you can just go over it a little bit more, but I'm happy with that. And that is awesome. Now make sure there's no bubbles or anything. Now we're going to do our next layer. So I'm going to do the yellow of his eyes. And there we go, there's our Grinch face. Now we're going to do the wording on the other side. So I've already pre-weeded this, so I'm going to do the same thing. This transfer tape isn't as big as it should be, but I'm just going to go with it. And I'm happy with that. No bubbles. And yeah, awesome. So I'm a real Grinch before my coffee and our little Grinch face. So I wouldn't wash this for the next, say, 48 hours. No putting it in the dishwasher, no soaking it, no scrubbing it. And it should last quite a while. The Cricut Premium Vinyl is a very good brand, even with fine text like this. And yeah, that's it.